come true.
And if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. How are you guys doing? I'm back with another video, guys, and I'm super excited about this video because this product is something that I've tried and tested and I wanted to share the results with you as well. So in today's video, guys, we are going to review the Brow and Lash Serum from Wishcare versus the Brow and Lash Serum from Bella Vita and compare both of these and let you know what are the results, what are the pros and cons, what worked for me, what did not work for me. That's what we'll be seeing in this video, guys. So without any further ado, let's get into the video, guys. So first I'll tell you what these products claim. So this is the Wishcare Enhancing Formula Brow and Lash Growth Serum, 100% pure and fragrance free for thick eyebrows and eyelashes. This is 30 ml and we're comparing it with Bella Vita Brow Eyebrow and Eyelash Growth Oil with 12 essential oils. So these are the two products I've already used in the past and I will compare and let you know what are the results. So the first thing that we'll see is the packaging, guys. This also comes in a carton. Unfortunately, I don't have it there. If I have the picture, I'll insert somewhere here. So let's first see about Wishcare. So this comes in a packaging like this, and once you open it, you have the Brow and Lash Serum, which looks like this. It comes with a lid on top, and then along with that you also get an applicator. These are the product contents that you get. And next we will see about Bella Vita. So the Bella Vita one is just a very simple, straightforward one. It's very similar to a mascara packaging. So this is how it looks. Packaging wise, no complaints, guys. Both of them are okay and serve the purpose as well. Next, let's see about the applicator of these products, guys. So the Wishcare serum comes in a bottle like this and it has a lid on top which you can remove, and then you have this pump kind of situation here, but then you also have an applicator. But as per the instructions written in the bottle, they have told
pump the serum on the applicator, apply small amount of serum on your skin along the lash line, eyelashes and eyebrows. Use the serum before you go to bed daily on dry and clean skin for best results.
Now this is okay. I mean, the applicator, if you have to dip and use it, it is okay. So they could have just made like a lid which we can twist and open. Why the pump bottle, I never understood. This is kind of like a very unnecessary thing, I feel, because initially since I saw the pump I was doing this and of course it falls down, right? And then I was like, okay, we have to like open it and then insert the applicator and then use it, which is kind of okay for me. But then again, I think the whole packaging is kind of like, I'm not very sure. So maybe they would have given for a convenience that you can also apply it with your hand, because eyebrows, right? Like some people might prefer applying with your finger itself. But again, yeah, it's a okay packaging. I think somewhere there's a slight miss in the packaging for me. There's an applicator and also there's a pump, but then you have to dip it anyway. So why the pump? Yeah, that's my point. And Bella Vita applicator is similar to a mascara applicator, and I really love it because you are focusing on your brows and your lashes, which are very small hairs. So for that, the mascara kind of applicator is very helpful. You can just take the product how much ever you need and then you can apply it on your brow and also on your eyelash, and it is a very good applicator. I think this applicator is something that's very convenient to use. You don't have to get your hand messy. After the applicator is used, you don't have to like wipe it and keep it separately. Again, that attracts germs also, right? So I think this kind of packaging is very nice and I would prefer this over the Wishcare one. So packaging wise, I think the Bella Vita one is very good for me. Okay guys, next let's see about the price point and the quantity that you get for each of these products. The Wishcare one is 499 rupees for 30 ml. That's what you get in this product, which is not bad. And the Bella Vita one is 349 rupees for 12 ml. So quantity and price point wise, if you see, the Wishcare one has more product. In either ways, it's okay. I think that's not a big problem. Next, let's see the main point, guys, the performance of these products. The performance of both of these products are actually good. If you consistently apply, these kind of products take a very long time to show up results, guys. And especially if you have faint eyebrows, you have to keep applying, and then only little by little over a period of time, over a period of few weeks, you'll see the results, like little bit hair has grown or your eyelash has shown like a visible growth. So performance wise, both are okay, and especially if you have like very faint eyebrows, then it takes like a very long time to show the results for sure, guys, because it's an eyebrow and eyelash growth serum. But one thing, guys, that I wanted to mention is that I've used the Wishcare one for a good time and also the Bella Vita one for a couple of days. One thing that I noticed which was very shocking for me is the Wishcare one, once I apply it, I think over a period of time only I realized that also. So I apply it in the night and the next morning I have at least one or two like lashes fall in here, like, which is very scary. The whole purpose of this product is for an eyelash growth, right? Like the other way around, I can see it falling here. So I thought, guys, maybe I used it in a very harsh manner or something, that's why the lash is falling. But genuinely 2-3 days I saw the same thing. At least one was there here and it was kind of like freaking me out, because that's the whole point. I'm using this product for like eyebrow and eyelash growth, and when it is falling, it completely goes against the claim. I don't know if it is only for me or someone else has faced it also, but whenever I use the Wishcare eyebrow and lash growth serum, like I think my brows and lash are getting very sensitive. You know what I mean? Like normally whatever is there, it is good, but whenever I apply the serum, it kind of becomes very soft and like 1 or 2 falls, which is very scary for me. Even if you have faint eyebrows or like very less eyelash, it's completely fine. At least whatever you have, you can preserve, right? But then when you apply a product and it washes what you have also, that is a very scary thing, guys. So I think for that one reason, or like the main reason, because that's the whole purpose of using this product, because of that I don't think I'll use the Wishcare serum again. So I think if I want to focus on eyebrow and eyelash growth, I would definitely go for this one. But if you wish to try out, you can use both and see, but this is how it worked for me personally. So yes guys, that is my honest review for the eyebrow and lash growth serum from Wishcare versus Bella Vita. And if you've already used this products, you can let me know what worked for you and what did not work for you. I would love to know that. That's all for today's video, guys. You can also follow me on Instagram at @intokrish_. I'm also posting very interesting content there as well. With that, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye guys.